So when life gives you lemons, make lemon basil chicken.
Given how quick and easy this lemon basil chicken is to make, I generously sprinkle the chicken with salt the night before, then store it covered in the fridge. This will ensure that it is tender and juicy because the salt helps to break down the proteins in the meat and lock in moisture. When you're ready to cook, rinse the salt off and pat it dry. I actually do this with all of my meat, chicken, pork, and beef. It's a quick and easy step that makes a big difference in the flavor and texture. Now, heat olive oil in a skillet to medium-high heat, then add in the chicken. Let it brown on one side, then flip it over, and cover the skillet with a lid to trap in the heat and moisture. When the chicken becomes cooked through, remove it from the pan and let it rest on a serving dish. Leave the heat on medium-high. Add the white wine, freshly squeezed lemon juice, red pepper flakes, and chopped garlic. Stir it around a bit and scrape up the flavor on the bottom of the pan, and you'll notice that beautiful garlic coming alive. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Let it bubble, reduce, and darken, which only takes a minute or so. Then add in the butter and stir it so that it melts and combines well. Finally, toss in the basil, letting it heat through for just a few seconds. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings if needed. I added in a little extra chicken stock. Then pour the sauce over the chicken and you're ready to dig in.
And you can pair this lemon basil chicken with just about anything. A salad, rice, pasta, roasted vegetables, potatoes. It's really hard to go wrong.
You can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.